On today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online without any skills, without any experience, and the best part is that you can use this method at a zero cost. The whole process will not take you more than 20 minutes per day, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to join an affiliate network. You can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, or any affiliate marketing network that you know. In my case, you can see I've joined Digistore24. I also promote products on ClickBank. As you can see, this is my Digistore24 dashboard. You can equally join Digistore24. Once you join the network, the next thing is that you are going to find a product to promote. So just come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find different products to promote and then earn a commission anytime you get a sale. So just click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see these are different categories of products that you can promote. You can just click on any of these categories, select a product and begin to promote it. Once you promote it, anytime you get a sale, you are going to be earning a commission. You can see this product right here, Metico. If you promote it and get a sale, you are going to earn $151.31. So what you have to do is that you have to select a category in this section so that you can find products to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting products under internet marketing and e-business. So just click on that so that you can find different products. Once you click on that, you can see different products that you can promote under this category. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see many of them. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how to promote this product right here. It's a very good product that you can promote to earn money on Digistore24. You can see the commission rate is $30.51. So what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to this particular link. This is your affiliate link, so you have to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to buy it for you to earn money on Digistore24. If you are new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can get more information about the product. So just click on it. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they buy the product. As I scroll down, you can see many testimonials about the product. You can see a whole lot of them. Once you get to know more information about the product, the next thing is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. So the next step is that you are going to come to this website, Listjumper.com. This website allows you to run ads for free. You can also send free emails on this website. As a score, you can see if you sign up for a new account, you are going to get 300 mailing credit. You can use those credits to send emails to other people on this website. So what we are going to do is that we are going to sign up for your account so that you can begin running ads on the platform for free. The first thing is that you're going to enter your first name, last name, email address, password, and then you are going to confirm your password. Once you confirm your password, click on I have accepted terms and conditions. Once that is done, just click on promote your business now so that you can get your free accounts. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log in to show you more. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, premium ads. These are the kinds of ads that you're going to be running on this website. So when you come here, you can see different things that you can do on the website, but I'm not going to take you through everything. I'm just going to show you how to run premium ads for free on this website. So what you have to do is that you have to just click on any of these ads so that you can view the ad for at least 20 seconds so that you can earn ad credit to run your ad on this website. So let me just click on it for you to see. As you can see right here, I have to wait for only 30 seconds so that I can earn ad credit to run my ads. So you can see right here, somebody is running an ad on this platform. As you can see, this is 5 seconds, 3 seconds. As you can see, once I view the ad for 20 seconds, I've earned 30 premium ad credits. So now what you're going to do is that you are going to be using this credit to run ads on this website for free. So just come back. Once you come back, you are going to come right here, click on premium ads so that you can run your ad. So once you run your ad, any member who log into this website is going to see your ad on the first page just like this. So what you have to do is that just click on all these ads so that you can earn ad credits. Once you earn the ad credits, the next thing is that you are going to run your ad on this platform. So just come right here, click on premium ads. Once you click on premium ads, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see right here, these are my ads. I have 2 ads on this platform. You can see the first one got 24 clicks. The second one got 64 clicks. The first one I allocated 200 credits and you can see the number of clicks right here. The second one I allocated 500 ad credits and you can see the number of clicks right here. As you can see right here, I have 834 ad credits that I can use to run my ads right now. To run your ad here, just click on add premium ad. So just click on it so that you can start running your ad. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, 1 premium ad credit equal to 1 premium ad impression. So the number of credits that you are going to allocate here will determine the number of people who will see your ad. So if you allocate 100 ad credit right here, your ad is going to be seen by 100 people. So if you allocate 200, your ad is going to be seen by 200 people. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to begin filling the details. So right here, you are going to enter the title of your ad, and here too, you are going to enter your affiliate link as your website URL. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to Digistore24 so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back to Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to just highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it as your title. Once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So just go back to Digistore24 so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come right here and then paste it as your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to allocate the ad credit. So in my case, you can see that I have 834 ad credits, so I can locate the number of ad credit that I want. I'm going to use 500 ad credits. Once that is done, you are going to just click right here, save premium ad, so that your ad will be live onto this platform. So let me just click on it for you to see. Once you click on save ad, you are going to wait for 20 seconds. You can see, congratulations, your website has been verified and your premium ad is now active. As you can see right here, premium ads detail added successfully. You can see right here the title of your ad. You can see your affiliate link. You can see the number of ad credits that you allocated. You can see right now it has not been utilized since we have just created it. So you have to keep on repeating these steps so that you can get many people to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to earn money. As you can see on SimilarWeb, Listjumper gets a lot of quality traffic. You can see 27.81% of the traffic is coming from United Kingdom. You can see 20.89% is coming from Canada, 15.38% is coming from United States. All these countries are tier 1 countries, so you are going to be getting sales. This is a quality traffic source because the people who visit the website, they can afford the products that you are promoting to them. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on trying different products. For example, if you come on Digistore24, there are thousands of different products that you can try with this method that I've shown you. For example, if you come to business and investment category, there are different products that have a higher commission rate that you can promote to earn money with this method. Let me just click on it for you to see. As you can see this product right here, the commission rate is $439.06. That is a lot of money. You can see the popularity of the product. It has almost 5-star rating, so a lot of people like it. You can equally promote a product like this. As I scroll down, you can see there's another one right here. This one, the popularity is 4-star. You can see it right here, and you can see the commission rate is $554.17. There are many products under this category that you can promote. So what you have to do is that just try any of these categories, or you can just keep on promoting the product that I've shown you so that you can be getting sales using this particular simple strategy that I've just shown you. So make sure you take action so that you can get a lot of results. That is it for today's video. If you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.